Alright, this is an experiment I've been wanting to try for a while now. I wanted to see if I could reflow the pins of a new USB port on, like, tin up the solder pads and then flow that solder onto those pins. Been experimenting with new methods ever since we did the improvements on our rework station. Showing kind of new jobs we can do, new techniques. Just having some fun, doing new stuff. You know what it's all about. The angle on this new nozzle really makes a difference since the improvements, because you can hear the air turning the corner around certain pieces, and you really notice, you're like, oh, maybe I'm not hitting as good as I think. And that's really what it's coming down to, is your angle of attack, and really your technique really makes a lot of difference, believe it or not. So I'm going to try and focus this in maybe up a little bit for you guys, because I'm going to try and come at it sideways. So looks like you guys are part of the experiment more than just a demonstration today. You guys are going to get to observe the results of our little experiment here. Now what I fear is that I'm blowing the flux away, so I'm probably going to have to stop once it gets warm and reapply more Antec and see if that'll hold long enough to hit it with a flow real quick. A couple of those legs getting shiny. Not really coming up on the pins like I had hoped it might. Yeah, like, I mean, they flowed, but just not to what I was hoping that they would, which I wasn't sure. And it may be that, maybe I need to tin the pads up more, maybe I need to use a different type of solder. So there's a lot of variables that goes into this stuff. Hence using the term experiment to its fullest meaning here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch on our old Metcal. Look at that. It's like my soldering iron tip has a tumor. But I've been doing that on this one where it's so tiny. It's been really getting oxidized bad, because we get distracted and the iron gets left on, where it's like a 15 or 20-year-old antique Metcal. But hey, man, this is just like a freaking. It was the Cadillac of its day, dude. I'm gonna take you guys out of focus for a minute so I can clear the bridge. Alright, well, I think that's about it for our capture as I have a call coming in. I'll clean them up. See you next time.